As I'm twiddling a leaf, green grass beneath my feet, and a tree that casts a shadow. I wish you could have seen. I'm contemplating everything I've ever known, and if you sit here with me, I'll tell you what I know. Well, this world is filled with answers we can't know, but the path we choose to find them can give us hope. I don't claim to have the answers, but at least I try. Cause the day that I stop caring is the day I die. Now I'm climbing up a tree, and my hair flows with the breeze, and I get a special feeling. I wish it could be seen. God, there's so much on my mind, but I jump down on that grass, and I know things will be fine. Cause this world is filled with answers we can't know, but the path we choose to find them can give us hope. I don't claim to have the answers, but at least I try. Cause the day that I stop caring is the day I die. Well, they say ignorance is bliss, sweet words the devil kiss as he makes his way down to a place that has no bounds, and I won't buy it. Well, this world is filled with answers that we can't know, but the path we choose to find them can give us hope. I don't claim to have the answers, but at least I try. Cause the day that I stop caring is the day I die.